Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Here we go. Oh my word, look. Oh, another Wednesday. I nearly said Saturday then. Another Wednesday. Another chef. I just can't get this sitting right at all. It doesn't look right to me. Oh, I tell you, let's get that there. That'll have to do. Oh, how are y'all doing? Here we go. As you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. I'll run through. First off, we'll get the brush. That is, do you know I said Mr. Wolf sent me a Borgia knot, didn't he? It turned out to be okay, and I said it was Johnny's first Borgia. I might have been wrong. I can't figure this one out. It's not boar and it's not badger, and I'm wondering if it's a Borgia. It's a good one. I've used it before. We're going to get it in there in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Soap we're going to be using. There you go. Razorock Gold. Good stuff, this guy. Reminds me of Skin Bracer. That it really does. So we're going to be using that, and we've got the matching splash. I bought that from Pasteur's Pharmacy. It was Pasteur's Pharmacy. I don't know if I've ever told you, but I have actually been to Pasteur's Pharmacy. We're going to balm up with this, look, Frosted Snowman. Do you remember him? Frosted Vanilla. See what I mean? How much of a rebel am I using a Christmas balm in April? Hey, do you know what I mean? People don't mess with me. They don't mess with me. Anyway, razor we're going to be using. Mr. Wolf sent me along this to try. The head, the handle's mine. You may recognise the handle. Take a look at that head. Right, let's get it off here, and be careful because there's a get it the right way around. There's a washer on it. Can you see? It says Gillette, made in England. I think, guys, it's a Gillette new open comb. What we're going to be putting in that is a Gillette 7 o'clock sharp edge. I had several Gillettes. I did want a black one, to be honest with you, 7 o'clock blacks, because they're so razor sharp and smooth, and they really are top-notch blades, as are all the 7 o'clock range. But I picked this one because the colour scheme matched on the thumbnail. There you go. Oh, what's only almost 2 blades left in it. There you go. Bit of a flyer on today, guys. Good day at work. Got back, had some stuff to sort out at home. Whew. Then they got a video call. Had to take a video call. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I'm home at 6s and 7s. Look, there's nothing, no real writing on. There's the plate. If you know anything and you can tell me anything, please do so. There you go. Put that on there. We'll put the ring, the washer. Oh, John, there you go, and we'll nip it up. Tiniest little bit of overhang. I know some people have issues that I've never, ever had any issue whatsoever at all with overhang on any razor. And that's it. That's it, there's nothing else. Let's get a wriggle on. Can you see it? I like to lean in. I'm turned into a silver fox. The old beard is getting there. So, do you know, I bought this to Pasteur's the first time I went for my 30th wedding anniversary. And it's now my 38th wedding anniversary. So we've had this for 8 years. I'll put the scent strength still at about 3.5, maybe a 4. Let's see how it lathers up. We'll get right in there. I should have got that brush a little bit drier. There you go. So how have you all been? You all up to? Really, today I chose this soap. I was looking. I had some samples to use, but I was a little bit pushed for time. There's been stuff happening, nothing serious, just life, you know. But nonetheless, I was just a little bit pushed for time. And I wanted a nice set, and I wanted one I hadn't used, and I wanted one that I really like. A scent on this, guys. The scent on this is absolutely lovely. So I thought, look at this. So camera doesn't lie, does it? Look, and I've had that about 8 years, guys. Once again, I've not had time to fix this. I normally have it sitting a bit lower and tilted up so that you can see me, but I can see my face in the mirror behind me. I stand on my tippy toes. And I'm sure there was something I wanted to talk to you about. No, I can't remember. There you go. That'll do us. And Gillette new. Doesn't it go well? Doesn't it go well on that handle? It does. Here we go. Let's clear the runways. I'll get it in there. No idea what to expect. Okay, it's a mild razor. The sink is running out of water. Yeah, it's a mild razor, but oh, has it just bit me? Has it just bit me? Right under there. Yeah, I felt it. Felt a little nick. That, you know what that? I've just I just got a message. I normally put it on airplane mode when I'm filming, but I've just got a message come through now. Yeah, I think because subconsciously, because I thought it was a mild razor. I thought, yeah, you can talk, juggle, do party tricks. You're not going to cut yourself with this razor and then just maybe just nick myself. But I always find I've got several Gillette razors, guys. I always get weepers with them. But I said it in the last shave. I'm looking for a head for that razor. It did okay. It did. It did okay. So let me know what your shaves are. Let me know what you think of today's shave. Let me know any information you can tell me about that razor head. And if you've used it, what do you think of it? It's okay, isn't it? It's pretty efficient. I still, like, do you know, was in the shower and I'm sure I got some water in my ear. And now the whole side of my face just feels funny, you know. I really need to go and get it checked out. The trouble is, you phone the doctor and it's like, if it's non-emergency, it's going to be 3 weeks. Well, I would class this as an emergency, but I'm sure everybody. Well, it's not an emergency, is it really? Oh well. You see, this is what I do. Slowly but surely, I'll talk myself out of going. By the time I finish this shave, I'll be going, yeah, it's an emergency. Yeah. No, it's not really an emergency. It's just a bit of water in my ear. As a matter of fact, it'll probably clear up now the dry, warm weather's got. Yeah, no, just I'll leave it. That tends to be my approach. I don't know if it's a man thing, but it tends to be my approach to healthcare in general. We'll dip the tips in here. We'll get a bit more water in. That soap did okay, didn't it, guys? Absolutely love the scent of it. And the aftershave smells fantastic. I bought a full set. when I went to Pasteur's, and I loved the aftershave that much. I just used it and used it and used it and used it. Because I was collecting soaps and aftershaves and razors long before I started my channel. I'd only been going a couple of weeks on this channel, and I did a den video, and that was just a fraction. I gave a load away to my son, to both my sons actually. So YouTube and doing this wasn't really a thought for me. So I'm just using the aftershave and using the aftershave, and then it just disappeared. And then of course, like you see, as I'm doing that now, I can feel it like cotton wool moving about inside my ear. So I'd gone through one bottle. I finally found some at the Razor Company. I ordered it, and it came all the way from America, absolutely fine. Our postman smashed it. And I know it was our postman because it took about a week to get here, and when I came home it was at the door, and I picked up the box and it was saturated, dripping, soaking wet out my hand. Opened it and it had all smashed and leaked out. You just think, how can Royal Mail just keep getting it so wrong all the time? Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. What have I got, son? Have a look. This is why I don't use vintage Gillette razors. I mean, I'm sure I get these with modern razors as well. But I really only get them this bad with vintage Gillette. Oh, the mittens. Good little brush that, guys. I bought that brush off eBay. I'll give you a look at it in a minute. Bought it off eBay when I very, very first started wet shaving. I think when I first started my channel, actually, I didn't have a lot of brushes. It's the only thing I didn't have a lot of. And I bought it, and the woman said her father had died, and when she opened the drawer that was sat in there, she said, I don't think he'd ever used it. She said, it'd been sat there for years. And I got it. I think I paid about £5 for it. Yeah, that was it. Come on, let's give it a... It's okay, isn't it? I don't know. What? You see that? What does that say? It does actually say something mixed, made in Germany. MA something, but then it says mixed. So yeah, maybe it is a bulger. Can you see that? I don't know. There you go. Anyway, it's a good little brush. Oh, and that is our shave guide. Oh. Don't worry, I shall do the Lancashire link. Oh, do you know, one of these days I'm going to surprise you all, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do a really serious shave. Right from start to finish, just dead serious. Really, really serious. We did okay, didn't we, guys? We did okay. Gold! Always believing. That's the only words I know. Oh. Oh, yeah. Well, lovely. To me, there's hints of brute in this, but with vanilla and it's kind of like Skin Bracer, but like an EDP version. Skin Bracer type scent. And this, I'm going in the shower, but I still put this on. So I just put a little bit of this on. I got in the shower in about an hour. I actually prefer to have a shower after I've shaved. I really, really do love the feel. Standing under the shower with the warm water running down a freshly shaved face. Absolutely love it. Oh, there you go. And that, guys. So sorry about the light. Oh, it is what it is, isn't it? Look after yourselves. Look after each other. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Click like and subscribe. Look after yourselves and each other. Remember, don't let the world mould you into its selfish, me first attitude. Be the difference. Be the change. Yeah? And then you've changed the world, haven't you? Look after yourselves and everybody you come into contact with. The world really does need more love, doesn't it? And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Hopefully something will be here from India, but the carrier in the UK is a Royal Mail, so. But if it isn't, it'll give me a chance to use a razor I've had sat in there for a couple of weeks. You'll like this one, guys. Bye.